Imagine waking up one day not on Earth, but on Mercury, Mars, or even Neptune. No spacesuit, just you facing the harsh reality of a different world. What would those last moments feel like? How would death greet you on each planet in our solar system, ready for an adventure through the cosmos? Let's dive into what it would feel like to meet your end on each planet. Every planet in our solar system is totally unique and super harsh. The gravity, air pressure, temperature, and chemicals are so extreme that humans can't survive there without serious protection. On Earth, we enjoy a pretty cozy setup: breathable air, comfy temperatures, and a protective magnetic field. But step beyond our blue planet, and nature flips the script entirely. Ready to take a wild ride through the cosmos and see what fate has in store for us, planet by planet? Mercury. This one's closest to the sun, and totally airless. The temperature swings are wild, think hotter than a pizza oven during the day, and freezing cold at night. But guess what? You wouldn't even get to feel that crazy contrast. With no atmosphere, you'd suffocate in an instant, and the sun's radiation would fry you up in seconds. We're talking skin blistering and eyes boiling death. Here is quick, brutal, and silent. Venus, welcome to hell on Earth. The atmosphere here is thick with carbon dioxide, crushing you with a pressure 90 times greater than what we experience at home. It's hot enough to melt lead. You'd be crushed, baked, and poisoned all at once. You wouldn't even hit the surface before the pressure turned your lungs inside out, and your body into a puddle of cooked flesh. Earth. Now, here's the kicker. This is the only place where death can be peaceful, or at least somewhat human. No immediate crushing, freezing, or boiling. It's just mortality as we know it. Mars. The most hospitable of the uninhabitable, right? But don't let that fool you. The air is 95% carbon dioxide. You'd gasp and suffocate in minutes. With low pressure, your blood would start to boil, and the cold, a chilling 80 degrees Fahrenheit on average, you'd freeze before your lungs even stopped screaming. Jupiter. This is a gas giant with no solid surface. You'd fall endlessly into thicker, more toxic layers of hydrogen and helium. The pressure would build until your bones crumbled and your atoms were torn apart. It's death by descent crushing and disintegration in a storm that's bigger than Earth. Saturn. Similar to Jupiter, but with a bit less gravity. Still, you'd be ripped apart by the atmosphere, slowly compressed into nothingness. Your last view? Horizonless sky painted in storms and swirling golds. Uranus. Now this place is cold beyond imagination. 370 degrees Fahrenheit. You'd suffocate, freeze, and maybe even get shredded by high-speed methane winds. A frozen death, you know? No breath, no sound, just eerie stillness. Neptune. Get ready for the most violent winds in the solar system, over 1,200 miles per hour. As you tumble into its deep blue atmosphere, you'd be shredded molecule by molecule. Your body would disintegrate in ice storms and supersonic winds before gravity could even finish you off. What? Pluto. Not a planet. Who cares? A towel still do you in. Almost no atmosphere, freezing cold, and zero oxygen. You'd pass out in seconds, and your corpse would freeze so fast it would shatter like glass if disturbed. So what if humanity had to colonize these worlds? The deaths we've talked about would be a constant reminder of nature's power. Each planet would need tech beyond what we have now. Protective domes, AI-monitored habitats, pressurized suits, and radiation shielding. There's no room for mistakes. Forget to seal your helmet. You're dead in 15 seconds. Power failure. Habitat turns into your coffin. Dying in space could become routine grief dealt with scientifically, not spiritually. Would we get numb to death? Would we still fear it? Or would we transform into something entirely different? Space human, space hardened? In the end, death on Earth is intimate and known. But in space, it's alien, unforgiving, and silent. Each world offers a different kind of oblivion, and none of them welcome us. So maybe the real question isn't just how we die on other planets, but why we'd even want to live there at all.